How to fix Microsoft Office error code 5FCL8 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Sign out and sign back into Office. Authentication glitches can cause Office to fail license validation, even if you appear signed in. Signing out and back in refreshes the session and may resolve the issue. Corrupted authentication caches can prevent Office from verifying your account, leading to the 5FCL8 error. Deleting these folders forces Office to recreate them with fresh data. If that didn't work, fix 3. Repair Web Account Manager, WAM, components. The WAM plugin, used for Office sign-ins, can malfunction and cause authentication errors. Repairing it via PowerShell can fix the issue. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, corrupted system files can interfere with Office's authentication process, leading to errors like 5FCL8. SFC and DISM tools can repair these files. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.